Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from Teams 5 and studied database management system, or we will present doing database dashing with MySQL. Control us, my team. In this team, we are member 5 people. In the first, myself, Muhammad Nurdiansyah, and my friend Irfan Lukmanul Hakim, Dikananda Dipudistio, Dedi Prayoga, and Muhammad Tejar. For the fifth speaker, I left it to Irfan Lukmanul Hakim. For the fifth speaker, begin.
Okay, thank you so much, my brother. Let me read the next material. Abstract. Most of the database textbooks targeting database design and implementation for information system curricula support the big database system or Oracle, MS SQL, Server, DB2, and other. With respect to the most important aspect of the database management, design, and implementation, one should not ignore MySQL, the most widely used open source relational database management system developed in Sweden in 1995 and now owned by Oracle Corporation. The paper solves two database design learning cases. The first one deals with a forward engineering technique used to transform a data model into a physical database. The second case shows how the reverse engineer an existing database into a data model. But the cases utility MySQL, Workbench, and MySQL's community server. By contrast, Microsoft Access can only reverse engineer a physical database into its relationship diagram. That is data, model, design, database, SQL, MySQL, Microsoft Access. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, my friend, for the presenting the first. For the next presenter, I left it to Dikananda Dipudistio for my friend.
Okay, next. Okay, I will continue the presentation. Introduction. Database design is part of the database development process that involves analysis of a problem definition, specification, and requirement, and provides all necessary finding for building a logical structure of data. The logical structure of data may initially be expressed in a plain language. It may, for example, consist of series of simple statements, subject plus predicate plus object, that can be transformed into a more expressive data model, typical expressed in a data definition language DDL. With their tables, view, index, etc. data model are typical expressed as entry relationship diagram (ERD), and most of the contemporary database design tools are able to transform the diagrams into the media data. Such a transformation is referred to as forward engineering. Some tools are also capable of reverse transformation from the database to ARD. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Dikananda Difudistio, who has presented the material. For the next presenter, my friend Dedi Prayoga is welcome to present his material.
Okay, thank you, my friend. I will continue with the next presentation. Okay, database decision brief. The descriptive properties of an entity are friends to us to attributes L. Amiraj et al. 2004 54. They present relevant characteristic of entities within the same entity type that are expanded to persist in a data store database. Each attribute has its own type. The main of follows is can take on. For example, an egg of a person comes from the set of integers. If the egg is to be expressed in values, a student standing is one element of the sea of text, second strings, freshman, sophomores, junior, senior, product. Price is on negative real number. As ideally, a logical that the model solve profit are relevant. Attributes of the entity type already in the table. I had a left design that data model might not solve the required attributes, but it solved include at least the case. A key of an entity type is a subs of its attributes that uniquely identifies each of its intent. An entity might have more than one key. The key that is source of formally present unity instances is reference to the primary key. For example, in a college database system, social security number, or other natural unique identifiers, a passport number, are as to uniquely identify each student. However, because of privacy and or security restriction, the system generates artificial keys that are uniquely referred into the natural key search. They are referred to us to our surrogate key, and they are as in daily operation as primary key. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you for my friend Diprayoga who has present the material. For the next material, I myself will explain it. Okay, I'll start material. Or entity types are typical labeled as nouns, and relationship types have verbal connotation. For example, with entity type student and registration, one can say where student is an instance of entity student. Registration is an instance of entity registration. And relationship complete is a relationship. At a more detailed and technical level, such a relationship is related between the case of the entities. Given the following instance of entity student is student ID 11345, first name John, last name Do, and entity registration ID 234123, student ID 11345, class ID 4, 5, 6, 2. Class ID 4, 5, 6, 2. Correct date 2014 for 50. Relationship complete is in short expressed as 11345 completes 234123, where student ID or 11345 and registration ID are primary case of instance of entity student and registration, respectively. Moreover, relationship completes is represented by case student ID or 11345 as an attribute of the registration instance, such as K is referred to as a foreign K. This dual meaning of a K is a manifestation of the relation between the entities. For a foreign K to exist in one entity, it must be the primary key in a related entity. Entity and relationship are major product of analysis of the problem statement and requirement. Nouns are good candidates for entities and verbal expression. Identify relationship, relevant or required. Characteristics of the entities are captured as attribute of the entities. Additional entity may arise from more complex relationship. Important restriction imposed on relationship reflect the minimum or maximum number of entity instance that can participate in the relationship. Such restrictions are referred to as cardinality or multiplicity constraint. They include but are not limited to Connolly et al. 2005 p. 356 360. One to one, one to many to many, and for example, relationship is of the one-to-one type. One-to-one, a given use resident has one social security number, and a given social security number belongs to one use resident. Okay, thank you. For the next presenter, my friend Muhammad Tejar Alkholik is welcome to present his material.
Thank you, is moderator. Relationship student is person. is a special one-to-one relationship, 0, 1-to-1. A student is a person, but a given person but does not have to be a student. Unity student has an optional participation, either 0 or 101. Such relationship is also referred to as a generalization, using the object-oriented terminology is an example of inheritance with respect to a person. Aduh, ini kemana lagi? Who happens to be student, the latter inherits health properties of the former. In short, this relationship can be coded as student 0 to 1 is one person. Relationship faculty workflow department is typically a many-to-many relationship. A faculty work for one department, and a department employs one or more faculty. A shortcut notation for this relationship called B. Relationship student task course is of the many-to-many type. 0 apa ini? Titik the many 0. A given student take many courses, and a given course might have many students. There might be a student who has not yet signed up to any course, and there might be a course that has no student enrolled in it at all. It is important to note that many-to-many relationship cannot be directly implemented by relational database management system. They must be converted to multiple relation, typically two or more one-to-many relationship. For example, student takes course, the relationship can be transformed in the following one-to-many, many-to-one relationship. One-to-many, many-to-one, many-to-one. Thank you.
That's enough of our distance, more or less. We am sorry. Khairunas and Fahimulinas. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.